Alright bro, look, this is how you bulk. 4 steps, super fast, straight to the point. Let's go. Step 1, bro, mindset. Alright, so look, when you gotta be bulking, you gotta be in the mindset of you want it bad. Coming from a person who does not like to eat, eating a lot of food is really hard. You always have to keep in the back of your mind, okay, I need to keep pushing forward, I need to keep gaining weight to get to my goals. As soon as you let those thoughts come in that, okay, is this even worth it, or, you know, I can skip this meal, it's not gonna go good, bro. So you gotta keep your mindset and you gotta want to gain weight. You have to want it bad. Step 2, now that you got your mindset down, it's time to figure out your maintenance calories. I'm gonna show right on screen right now a website. I'll show you how I filled it out, easy to follow along. Next step, head over to calculator.net and just follow along what I do. Put your age in right here. So I'm 17, I'm a male, I'm about 5'7", I'm 144 right now, and I exercise, I do about moderate 45 times a week, and you hit calculate. So to maintain weight, I need to be eating about 2,400 calories a day, and this is not entirely accurate, so give or take, a couple hundred calories. So I'd say, 2,500 to say for me maintenance. Once you get your maintenance calories, next thing you're going to want to do for bulking is add about 300 to 400 on top of that. Alright, step 3, and this is what I do to kind of track my weight throughout the week and weeks as go by, is pretty much I pick a day. So I pick Sunday. So every Sunday I wake up in the morning, I go pee, and then I get all my clothes off and get on the scale and check my weight. And you do that every Sunday, and you can track that and you can see your weight gaining. Now I would recommend about 0.5 to 1 pound for more of a leaner bulk. Anywhere after that is excess fat and stuff like that. Alright, so how to track your calories. What I do is you can either get an app on your phone like MyFitnessPal, or what I do is kind of old school, doesn't make sense really, but I have a notes, the notes app on your phone, and pretty much I just put the date in, and then I put the day, okay, there's so many calories, and then my protein, and then so say I wake up, I add my breakfast, add all that up, and then throughout the day I just go to my calculator on my phone, add the calories up, and just add it in there until eventually you get what you need to hit for the day, and then go the next day. Either that, MyFitnessPal, even writing it down, just anything to track your calories, because you need to be tracking how much you're eating, not just saying, oh well, I eat a lot of food, I eat enough. For some people that can work, but for most people, including myself, that does not work, because I will not eat enough, because I'll get full, I'll go throughout the day, and I'll think I ate enough, and in reality I didn't eat enough. So make sure you are tracking your calories. It might seem like a pain, but just trust me, you need to be doing that to be way more dialed in to see, okay, this is how my weight's going to progress, not just hoping you're getting how much calories you need to be getting in. Next tip I have is to get a good routine when bulking. So you need to get a good routine for eating lunch, breakfast and dinner, snacks in between, fit it around your, say, work or school schedule. So for me, it's school, I have to fit it around that, say eating in classes or packing high calorie foods for lunch, and then when you're getting back, you have your foods. You don't want to just be going throughout the day, just boom, boom, boom. You want to have a good, strict routine, follow that routine, be disciplined, be consistent each day, and the results will show. So some foods that helped me in my bulking journey are milk, oatmeal, pasta, nuts, some cereals. Some of the cereals have a lot of sugar, so you try to stay away from those. Yogurt, peanut butter, hamburger meat. Those are some foods that I would recommend for bulking. Like I said, you want to fit it in a good routine, so you also need to try to diversify the foods you eat. I have a problem of where I'll eat the same thing every day, and you get burnt out pretty quick because it just gets gross. So it's good to try to switch your foods around and not just eat the same thing week after week after week, because you will get burnt out, it will get gross, and at some points you might not even like the food anymore, which is not a good thing. 2 things you need to remember when bulking. You need to want it. You need to want to gain weight, and you need to be consistent each day. Many people will go in a day, they'll go one day, they get their calories in. They go the next day, and what happens? They don't get their calories in. The next day, they don't get their calories in, and they end up only meeting their calories they need to be getting in about twice a week, and then they wonder why they're not gaining weight. You need to be getting your calories in every single day. You need to stay disciplined, and you need to stay consistent. It will be hard. I miss some days, you'll miss some days, but you need to stay consistent in your calories, and you will gain weight. Another pro of bulking is your strength will also go up in the gym because you're gaining weight. So overall, it's a win-win. It feels great. Thank you for watching, and I'll see everybody in the next video.